Well, hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Quad Boss Lee, and today we are going to do a video that I have done in the past, but I'm going to go into a little bit more detail, and it's WeatherTech's all-weather floor mats. The mats I have are completely customizable. You can put them in any vehicle. I do have a pair in the truck, and I am going to put a pair also in the car as well. These ones in the car are going to be more customizable because the truck has way bigger floorboards versus the car where it does not. So I'm going to go into kind of a more detail than I did last time of how you customize them and make them fit just right for your vehicle. So let's get started. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, so I got the car in the shop, and now we're going to head over to the driver's side, and we're actually going to go ahead and take out the stock mat. As you can tell, it's had its fair share of wear and tear, so we're gonna go ahead and take this bad boy out. I'm gonna vacuum up underneath here so we can start as clean as possible. And then our driver's side mat is right here. So here is our driver's side mat. Now WeatherTech, they make really great product. I've never had a problem with them. You can order them custom, but it is really expensive. So we're just gonna try these standard ones that worked in the truck. Obviously we're gonna have to do some modifications here, but actually it looks like they kind of lay things out for you. So our foot peg down there, we're actually gonna go ahead and kind of cut this whole section out so we can go ahead and fit it up in there. But first things first, let's get this old one out and start vacuuming. Alrighty guys, so we are all ready for our new mat, and as you can tell, obviously it does not fit in here because we do need to customize it. So first things first, I mean, as you wiggle it up here, because we do want it all the way up by our pedals here, it looks like we won't have to do too much trimming. What I'm going to do here is I'll go ahead and cut out this entire square here all the way up here, which will allow us to get up in here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and snip just this one end here, and then we're gonna go ahead and test our fit. Alrighty guys, so I did cut both ends. I cut this square here, and then I also cut, there was a strip along here. So we're gonna go ahead and see if this fits here. Sneak its way up there. Okay. So I got it pretty snugged up in there. Obviously, as you could tell, back here it is still off. I think I'll go ahead and cut this side strip off. And then we'll cut this back piece as well. And we should be able to go up just a little bit more. So I'll go ahead and do that, and then we'll test the fit once again. Alrighty guys, so I cut my pieces, and this thing fits about as perfectly and cleanly as I possibly could. I do have it wrapped around our foot peg down here, along up underneath the pedals. And then I have it snugged up right in the front here. So this one is done. We're going to go ahead and head to the back to get the back started. Alrighty guys, so here's the back. The backs are pretty simple because it looks like we don't have much to really go around, and our back mats should fit just fine. So let me go ahead and grab those real quick. Alrighty guys, so I got the old mat out, and we're gonna go ahead and vacuum up real quick, and we'll go ahead and install our back one. Just perfectly. So just as simple as that, the back is done. Alrighty ladies and gentlemen, so that concludes today's video. I did do the other side. Everything looks great. We'll just show you one more time here. Here's the driver's side, all nice and customized, along with the passenger side as well, all customized in there. And then as well as our back seats have their own custom floor mats. So guys, that concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really do like these mats. I've never had a problem with them. Always super durable. The ones in the truck, they get real muddy because of the truck and everything, and you just wash them off with the pressure washer and call it done. No real wear and tear on them. You don't have carpet wearing holes and stuff in it. So these are really great floor mats for a really cheaper price than actual custom ones. Once again, guys, you can customize these for whatever vehicle you want. I had these exact floor mats in the truck, and you could tell they're obviously two different brands, Ford and Chevy, and it worked on both vehicles. So guys, please give this video a like, and also subscribe to Quad Boss Lee if you have not already to catch more videos like this, and as well as our RC cars, quads, and lots more. Guys, we'll catch you on the next one.